Hi everyone, how are you? I just wanted to hop on really quick today and share with you my most recent Clear Scraps design team shares. Remember that you can always find Clear Scraps at clearscraps.com right there, and you can find so many amazing and wonderful chipboard and acrylic as well as tags. You see memory decks, cards. There is home decor. If you have something in mind, I encourage you to go and check out Clear Scraps first and see what they have. It's amazing. And so today, really quick, I have the small suitcase chipboard journal cover, and I have the cutest little acrylic. It's an album or tags. I have turned them into keychains. These, if I can get them unmessed up here. Oh my goodness. There we go. So what I did was I found some cute little stickers in my stash. I actually got them with some shampoo. And so really quick, I added them. There's even room that I could add a picture if I wanted to. And you can even add some more elements to the dangle. I kept them really basic so that I thought that they would even have been a fun gift or something crafty to do with the kiddos. And what a fun teacher's gift to give your teacher. A keychain. If you have a Cricut, you could add personal information like somebody's name, the room number. The ideas are limitless, and these are very sturdy acrylic. You can do just about anything with them. I don't suggest heat. Nothing really, nothing that requires heat, but it accepts vinyl stickers very well. And so this one is a kind of a science theme, like movie night is the theme for these. This one reminded me of Mulan. So there's like a science movie. This kind of has this reminded me of Toy Story. But how cute, the popcorn. And these were just really quick makes. You could add anything you want to them. Here's something, Ariel? Aren't you getting Ariel vibes from that one? And then this one reminds me of Rapunzel or Sleeping Beauty. I was thinking Rapunzel because of the hair. But they are super clear. When you get them, you will get all of the tags. You get 5 in a pack, and they will come with the covering, the sticker that you just take it off, the protective covering. And you could do a lot with them. Just think, you could add much, much more to the dangles. I don't know why I didn't add more. I don't know what was going on with me when I made them. So, and here we have the small chipboard suitcase junk journal cover. I have not added any pages to the inside, but I did use Prima Homegrown, and I double matted. I covered with white cardstock, and then I came in with the Homegrown collection. It's so beautiful. And then on the front is a intricate or ornate door, chipboard door, that is also a Clear Scraps chipboard product. And I have painted with the paints that were in coordination with the Homegrown paper collection. And I have gone in, I've gotten the garden fussy cut tag or a label. I can never remember what these are called. This is the Prima flower that is coordinating with the collection. I grabbed apples and apple blossoms, and the jimmies were actually a part of the collection as well. And then I went stickle crazy. I love stickles so much. And so when you get any of the journal covers. There's other shapes and there's even larger sizes. And I've done many projects with these, so I encourage you to go back through my videos and see. And I'm even on Instagram, and there is a Facebook group, so join the Clear Scraps Facebook group. Here is the inside, and then you will also receive the spine and the front and back cover. And then you will also receive a needle and some wax thread. So when I get a chance, I will be adding pages to the inside. But since this was, you know, just more about the sharing, you know, and encouraging you to get the journal page covers, because they have amazing, and they are super sturdy, and they will accept all types of mediums. There we go. I did pop up with some foam tape as well. Love, love, love. I am obsessed with Prima flowers. I absolutely love them. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Again, this was a Clear Scraps Design Team Project Shares. This was the month of August, and I am so excited to share with you September's projects, so I hope you will come back and look for those. Have a happy crafty day, and all of the links are below for the products that I have used for creating my projects for today. They're below. Head over to Clear Scraps and check out all of the amazing products. You can go through my Clear Scraps lineup. I have a list of all of the videos so that you can see. There are home decor, there's picture frames. I have done, I think, a well-rounded you know, videos that show you all the chipboard shaker embellishments. Oh my gosh, if you love to make shakers, you will love the shaker embellishments. So anyway, check out the mini albums and junk journal covers. They're so wonderful to work with. All right, have a happy crafty day, and I love you. This is Denise Abate Smith. I'm Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and these are my new treasures. Okay, bye. Love you bunches.